Politics is one of the few concepts that everyone uses and almost no one defines precisely. That is not a failure of language, it is a structural feature of the phenomenon itself. Political science has long identified at least four fundamentally distinct dimensions of this single word, politics. The political sphere proper, the struggle for power between actors, the competition of interests, conflict, and its regulation. Polity, the political order, the institutional architecture of a system, its constitutional foundations and governance structure. Policy, the political course, a deliberately constructed strategy of action in a specific domain, economics, security, social affairs. Public policy, public governance, the domain of state decisions accountable to society and implemented through institutions. These are not synonyms. They are not levels of a single hierarchy. They are four simultaneously existing dimensions of one phenomenon, each operating according to its own internal logic. Politics follows the logic of struggle. Polity follows the logic of order. Policy follows the logic of goal setting. Public policy follows the logic of accountability. All four operate in parallel, intersect, and enter into contradiction with one another. This is precisely what makes a universal definition of politics structurally impossible. Any definition that captures one dimension inevitably reduces the other three. Politics resists precise definition not because scholarship is incomplete, but because multidimensionality is not a deficiency of the concept, it is a property of the phenomenon itself. A phenomenon that is simultaneously struggle, order, strategy, and governance cannot be reduced to a single definition without losing contact with reality.